Good morning students. Today I am explaining trigonometric function of sum and difference of the number. So cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b.
2 मिनट.
By this formula we can frame many formulas of trigonometry, maximum formulas. आप इस फॉर्मूले से फ्रेम कर सकते हैं. cos of a plus b cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. By this we can frame cos of a minus b, sin of a minus b, sin of a plus b, tan of a plus b, tan of a minus b. Every formula we can form, and some more sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta. This all formula we can frame by this. So must we have to understand how we will form this formula. So derivation of this formula is, first we will form x-axis and y-axis. In the x-axis, first we will take one point P and which form angle A from x-axis, positive direction. This is angle A. And one more point we will take Q, which is distance of B and which form angle B. POQ is a angle B, and here XOP which form angle A. Now we can give here any notation R, and one more opposite direction we will suppose angle minus B. Suppose this is minus B and which form S. So firstly I want to explain ROP is angle A, POQ angle B, and in opposite direction same angle ROS, and here angle ROQ which form angle A plus B. Now we will suppose here points. Suppose P point is cos A sin A. We always suppose on polar form, firstly cos theta and after that sin theta. So P point is cos A sin A. Now point Q is A plus B. This distance will cover up to this point. So cos of A plus B is the coordinate of Q and sin of A plus B. Clear this? And now in this opposite direction, so here point S is cos minus of B sin minus of B, and R is on the x-axis, so this is 1 0 unit circle. Now we will join point coordinate of R point is 1 0. Now we will join P to S and Q to R, which form triangle APS and triangle OPS.
Three.
And one more triangle is ROQ. Now we will observe this both triangle OPOS is the radius of the circle, and OQOR also radius of the circle. It means OP is equal to OQ is equal to OS is equal to OR. These two sides and these two sides are equal, and this is angle B adding QAS. This same angle we will add in this triangle. which is minus B, and QAS. It means these both triangles are congruous. So OPS triangle congruous to triangle ROQ by SAS congruency. Why SAS? These two sides and this angle, which is POS and QOR. These two angles are same and these two sides are same. It means by side angle side congruency, these two triangles are congruous. Now we will use bicepticity. PS corresponding part of congruous triangle. PS is equal to QR. By using of PS is equal to QR means these two distances are same. Means we will use here distance formula. So PQ means these two distances. And now I am explaining distance of PS is equal to QR. These two distances are equal means we will use here distance formula, and we have coordinate of P, Q, R, S. These are. Now we will take here distance formula P to S. Coordinate of P is cos A sin B, and coordinate of S is cos of minus theta means cos B, and sin of minus B means minus sin B. So we are using here x2 minus x1 means cos of A minus cos of B whole square plus sin A minus of sin B. तो ये माइनस प्लस में चेंज हो जाएगा क्योंकि साइन माइनस थीटा माइनस साइन थीटा होता है. सो हियर cos A minus cos B whole square plus sin A plus sin B whole square is equal to now distance of Q to R. First coordinate cos of A plus B minus 1 of whole square. Sin of A plus B minus 0 whole square. Now squaring both sides, this square root will be removed. Now here we will use A minus B whole square and A plus B whole square. Here A minus B whole square cos square A plus cos square B minus 2 cos A cos B. And sin A plus B whole square means sin square A plus sin square B plus twice sin A sin B. And here again A minus B whole square means cos square A plus B plus 1 of square means 1 minus 2AB means minus 2A and cos A plus B into 1. And here sin square A plus B. Now we will see here, we will use here one identity. Cos square theta plus sin square theta, you know this is 1. So here is cos square A plus sin square A. We will write this together. And cos square B and sin square B. We will write this together. Why? Because this will be changed on 1 to 1. Okay? And now remaining twice sin A sin B and twice cos A cos B. So we will take here 2 common. And this is cos square A plus B plus sin square A plus B. Again we will use here trigonometric identity. Which one? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. This will be changed on 1. And here already 1 and this as it is we have written. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Here 1 plus 1 is 2. Both sides we will remove this. And this 2 also we can remove. And remaining sin A sin B minus cos A cos B is equal to minus cos A plus B. Now we want to remove this minus sign. So both sides we will multiply by minus sign. So this formula will be changed on cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay. Now this is clear. Thank you all of you. मैंने आज आपको ये एक्सप्लेन किया है कि cos of A plus B कैसे फॉर्म होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको इसके काफ़ी सारे आगे भी बता सकती हूँ. नेक्स्ट वीडियो